Hi, I'm Alan. Today we're looking at the Sirman TC32 Colorado Mincer. Before we strip down the Colorado Mincer, always ensure that it is unplugged. Okay, let's take the Colorado Mincer apart. Off comes the hopper. Undo the locking nuts on the sides. They both go the same way. Quite easy. Unlock, release, and down. Okay, let's take off the locking plates. Just a few turns to release the locking nut. Out comes the plates. Handle with care the blade. Out comes the grinding rotor and the feeder. All stainless steel, so all can go into the dishwasher quite safely. Okay, let's put the mincer back together again. Locate it onto the locking nuts and then tighten. Very easily, just tightens up. In goes the grinding rotor. It can only go in one way, so this is going to be located onto the back plate. It can only go one way when it goes in, so if you turn slightly it locates. In goes the blade. The blade doesn't go in this way where you can't see any of the nuts. It's completely located on that nut, flat side out. In goes the plate, that locates on the two little locating logs there, and then the locking nut on the top. Very simple. All the way there. And then just a note on the hopper, we've got a little sensor there that needs to be located on the top in order for the machine to work. That goes onto the top, into the feeder, and locating the sensor as well. Okay, so now the machine's plugged in, let's see how it works. Quite simply, place all the meat into the top of the hopper. You'll notice there's a guard where it's covering the hole where the meat's going down, which doesn't enable your hands to go in, so it's completely safe. We also use the plunger to take the meat down. You can keep pushing the meat in and the grinder will take it forward. Three little control points on the front of the machine. So we press one. It's a continual forward grind with the meat's just being fed into the hopper. To stop that, simply press the 0. To reverse the motion, and a pulse, so keep your finger on and that pulse is in reverse, just to get rid of any blockages.